This is the Vintage Coach Chunky Case, style number 7165 in the color black. And this case was made in the US, I would estimate sometime in the 1990s. And this is a great option if you want to carry some smaller items or some makeup separately inside your bag, you know, obviously inside the case, or if you want to just carry the case by itself. It's a great option. It does come with the matching two-sided hang tag, as you can see, and it also comes with the little Coach cartouche stamped here on the corner. Here's the front again, and the back looks pretty much identical. And then here's what the sides look like, and the bottom. And then when we move it over, the top does have a zip top closure, as you can see. And then here's what the inside looks like. And it does have a little creed there on the inside. Since it's hard to show it adequately on video, here's a close-up photo so you can see it better. So yeah, that's what the inside looks like. So that is the Chunky case. It is available now in our online store, so if you wanted to look at it further, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time.